All right, we're showing off the 2024 Mazda CX-90 out on the patio. Casey and Dave Stahl breaking it down for us. Hey, guys.
Hi, well, good morning, because we are out here with Dave Stahl, and we're checking out this car. And did I hear that it has 3 rows?
Yeah, does this look small to you?
No.
Jason, he seems to think it's small.
I didn't hear him say that.
It's a 3-row, 7-passenger, but it's a plug-in hybrid.
Okay.
So you got a gas motor, then you have electric. Electric will get you 24, 26 miles. Then it flips to gasoline. And then on gasoline, I think I'm averaging about 28 miles per gallon. So
This is the Mazda what?
This is a CX-90, and it replaces the CX-9.
Okay.
And the CX-9 was done in 2016, so consequently, it got a little long in the tooth. Check this out.
It's got the bucket seats and everything.
Yeah, that's
really
enough.
nice inside.
And the thing of it is, I don't know what it is with me and doors, but I love the fact that these doors open as wide as they do. Can you imagine if you had to load all your gear in here?
Yeah.
And the door was only like so, which like what a lot of them are. So they really did a nice job with this. Napa leather. It's like I said, it's got a V6 turbo, 21-inch tires and wheels. It's got the M1 drive. You can put it in sport or off-road. See, you've got this. You can knock your seats down, and and those are pretty decent third-row seats, because sometimes third-row seats can be a little cheesy. But they did a nice job on the third row. You got storage down below. Massive sunroof. I mean,
Yeah.
it's panoramic. Good roof rack on it. Bose sound system. Pretty good sized screens. Cameras on this thing are amazing. And I always like a car when you're going forward. There's a forward camera, because you never know what you can.
So it does the full 360 then?
And it does that too. And great backup. Great going forward. What else? Oh, what's that word right there?
You tell me.
That's what I thought. Rhodium.
Rhodium. I would say rhodium.
Rhodium white is the color.
Okay.
I love the manufacturers. They come up with some of the craziest colors in the
It's
world,
not
I'll tell
just
you.
white, it's rhodium white.
Great phone charger, easy to access. You won't lose your phone. Rain wipers. All new. Okay, so the base on this is 56,950. It tested out at 58,920.
What's the mileage you get?
I'm getting 20, or electric is 26, gas is 28.
You know what I really like in here? The screen's big.
Yeah.
But it looks clean.
Yeah, and it's real wood too. Feel that wood.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. So
Couple cup holders.
Yeah, so they did
This is
an
roomy.
awesome job with it. So if anybody's looking to fill up 7 seats, and those bucket seats are an option, but you can get a bench in the back.
Heated seats. What about ventilated seats?
Oh yes, it's got ventilated and
Okay.
heat.
And it goes for what? One more time?
This base model 56,950, and it rolls out the door at 58,920 before
All
tax
right.
and license.
It's a beautiful car. Dave Stahl, thanks so much.
You're more
We'll
than
be right
welcome.
back with more Good Morning San Diego.